Hi guys, welcome to Digital Rakesh channel here. So today guys, we are discuss very important option will be called YouTube Spotlight Feature. So how we can using for YouTube Spotlight Feature. So today we discuss topic about that YouTube Spotlight Feature. So what is the purpose that feature we can use? So where we can optimize that feature purpose. So this all we can learn about in the today class. Now everyone creating for YouTube channel. Where is the Spotlight Feature? When you go to channel will be manage video, they open for the channel video manager. In this, the option will be called here customization. The option will be called customization. In this customization, when you click the customization option, here this is called Spotlight Feature. They're showing for total three option: layout, branding, and basic information. Your complete channel information, add your languages. So you can language will select will be here. You can selecting will be English. So everything will be a channel name, everything. All I'm selecting for English will be here. So selecting will be English in this option. So all the default will be selected by English. Now here channel URL and custom URL. If you want to delete the custom URL, the option will be given by the custom URL will be here. And links will be given by the social media links. The links will be showing for total 5 options. These are total 5 links. This all future will give by Spotlight Future. The future will be given by the Spotlight Future. The file link and your complete your contact information, email ID. In this one, next your branding. So your logo, your banner icon, and you're showing for watermark. The watermark will be enter video. The video will be showing for watermark logo, the entire video. You can change your watermark will be here also. This is a particular video watermark. Is a banner image. Banner image will be 2048 into 1152. That will be compulsory we can using for 6 MB size. 2560 into 1440 complete size. But you can show YouTube will be 2048 into 1152 pixel. After that layout. This is a very important for layout. The layout where we can showing for the customers. When open channel here, they're showing for upload, YouTube training video tutorial, SEO on page tutorial, SEO off page tutorial, Google Analytics tutorial, and Facebook marketing started tutorial. So they will give the concept will be created by the in a particular option. The concept will be created where the particular option will be called layout. The layout will be created 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Total 9 will be created. So 10 will be there. Last one is the option. If you're not interested, you can remove from section. Add your any future will be here. This section. This is your future video. Any people coming to your channel, suppose. Simply I will show you. Copy the URL. Open for incognito window. They're showing for interaction video here. The video belongs to for in this future will be given. The option will be channel trial. This mean by particular trailer for people who want subscribe your channel. So they're showing for here. What is the purpose of your channel will be here? They can show the interaction video. The people will be subscribe your channel purpose. So this is a subscribe button. This will be join button to know about the more details about the your any kind of codes or live streaming or interaction. The purpose of we can go for join option will be there. This all future will be given by way the particular will be here. So guys, everyone using YouTube, but in YouTube, the spotlight feature, the compulsory we have to use. So what is the information we have to understanding? So how we can using for options and how we can using for branding one. So how we can using for basic information. These are all very important for each and every options. Links don't forget, channel description, channel URL, channel custom username, and you can contact information and your particular channel description. That will be very helpful for the SEO description purpose. Branding will be your icon, your brand banner, and your video watermark option. Layout will be, we can derive the topic by the section wise, latest upload or your playlist, and we can add by the particular layout option. Once layout will be finished, we can using for trailer will be here and future video for returning for subscriber. So this all future will be given by the YouTubers. Any YouTuber will be newly subscribe our channel. The future will be shown to the customers every link. The future name is called Spotlight Future. Use this feature for every YouTubers and increase your particular options. So don't forget this feature adding for every YouTubers. This compulse important feature for the option name is called customize. Layout. Any topic is a favorite on your channel. Compulsory finished by the future section is compulsory important. The section will be created for up to 10 section will be create. There's the latest playlist, anything will be suitable. In this option will be members only, videos, popular videos, short videos, live now, post live stream, upcoming live stream, single playlist, create a playlist, multiple playlist, subscription, and future channel. So everything will be here. Now click for publish. Now they're showing will be previous like this. Now you can show to the customers. Here is the option. If anything not required, just remove the section and publish it. So these all future we can give by the Spotlight on your particular YouTube channel to the activate on the YouTube channel, and every information, everything will be important. Don't forget this feature on your YouTube channel. If any doubts about the Spotlight, please ask me in a comment section. I definitely will be support. How will be creating for section everything will be support on this, and your increase your subscribers and viewership based on the using for Spotlight future. So guys, if you want like the video, please like, share, subscribe our channel.